Hello, sir. How are you? Hello, welcome back. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all? I hope that everyone is cool. Let me know if you can hear me. No voice issue, no echo, no nothing. Let me know that first. No pre-market analysis, nothing. I started late today. Not to do that. Overnight big run, morning session consolidation. Simple. All clear. Let's go. Everything's okay. Walaikum salam. Thank you, brother, for confirming that. Overnight big run, morning session consolidation. That is the simple thing I can know from this market. This that candle even before starting the AM session, New York session, the real trading session. Before starting that real trading session, this is the candle size, a beautiful candle size. So all you can see market is going higher. How far it can go for the relatively equal highs here. See this high and that high. They're the relatively equal highs over there. Is it going for that relatively equal highs? Or is it falling for this clean relatively equal lows? If you see this low, that low, clean relatively equal lows, which is my sell side liquidity. It is actually marked in my 15 minute chart. So let me remove it from here. Is it reaching for this sell side liquidity? Is it going for that buy side liquidity? Let's see. This is that sell side liquidity here, this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. Market is extremely bullish over here. It is bullish, perfect bull run. Here, this is that 50-minute last parabolic gap. I would love to mark that 50-minute last parabolic gap to confirm is it going higher or is it going lower. Okay, and then I will wait for the session to see how it is going to work. This is that first presented parabolic gap in Tuesday, which never been traded. Absolutely, I will observe this first parabolic gap as it's not been traded yet. So I will see if it can provide me 25 handle or not. That's why I just keep it. So I will just use this one. Okay, going to remove this last, hourly parabolic gap. No need those lines because I have already a lot of line. Going to remove this propulsion block line as well. Just going to keep this daily bearish parabolic gap. Okay, yeah. So no high time frame analysis, no pre-market analysis, just nothing. Overnight big run, morning session consolidation. Simple logic. I'd love to watch the market. NW all time high for NQ plus. Okay, NQ push. Oh, okay, let's wait to see how this last parabolic from 15-minute chart is going to work. Until the election, talking about this market is bullshit. Still, ICT is providing the precision every day. Just little nearly impossible for me to go like him. I really don't know how he can manage this all of these things because he's the creator, maybe. What a run! Started from there around 1:30 a.m. New York local time. What a run! Little retracement, run, retracement, run, retracement, run. Is it going to retrace little bit then again run? I don't have any idea. Does Apex have sale on? Yes, sir. Apex has 80% off and 150, 250, 300k are just for $50. $85 lifetime fee, $35 reset fee. Yes, sir. It is over there until 22nd October. Bullshit price action, bro. We are better off with trading London and Asia session rather than New York. It's a good decision. Yeah, now these days the Asian session are much more cleaner. Took a long if you meet close above and last five look up the space for shorts and we'll see that, brother. ICT didn't give a precise price action today. He wants sell side, but it ran. I wanted sell side as well, but not after. I really don't know what ICT was expecting. I knew that I was expecting sell run. So this sell side liquidity was my intention for today. 2196.00. Exactly that sell side liquidity was my target. I am not interested to look for buy, and I don't want to see this buy run. But it went higher. I was bearish. So he it seems like both of us are wrong, maybe. Okay. Walaikum salam, Shahidul. The sound is low, bro. Okay, the sound there is a sound problem, guys, or is that his problem? Let me know the sound is okay or not. Is it low? No sound problem. It's perfect. Audio sounds good. Sound is very low. Okay. His problem maybe. Please look at DXY also. Yes, sir, I'm going over there. No problem. It's all good to do. Not low. Sound is okay. Now sound is okay. Most of the people are saying that sound is okay. I can maybe you have to increase your volume. Yes, sir. This guy is bullish as well. I mean, the dollar index is also bullish. He is also bullish. Both of them are bullish. And there is no low resistance liquid run. Sound is okay but low. Is that clear now? I mean, is that high now? ICT has shit volume. T2 has perfect volume. What are you talking about? Is it okay now? I mean, it should not be low. If it is still low, let me know. It should not be low because I just put the speak. I mean, the my mouth speaker just in front of my mouth. No problem. It's low. Still, it's low. Oh man, just let me check. How is that now? Better? Is it better now? Let me actually check by myself. Hello, hello, hello. It should be okay now. Yes, better now. Sound very clear. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you. Okay, in dollar index it is bullish. Okay, simply it is bullish. I really know have no trading the last fair value cap, both the weekly last fair value cap and the daily last fair value cap. It is extremely bullish. He is also bullish. Both of them are bullish. I am a bullish. I don't want to predict the price action over here. I will wait for 9:30 to see. So just one minute. After 1 minute, it's going to provide me the opening gap. Are you kidding me? Okay. There is the opening gap. Hmm. Okay. What a price action. Beautiful price action ever. And if you tell me to trade this price action, I'm sorry, sir. I'm not used to trade this type of price action. Maybe there is someone who can do it. Take an entry from any kind of fair lookup. Sorry, sir, I can't do that. Oh man. The funny thing is, where did it reach? How far it has reached? That is the funny thing. Some random fair lookup. Very random fair lookup. Market reached from there to there. Okay, from this low to that high. How long it takes? It takes near about 6 hour 15 minutes. Okay, it takes to go from there to there 6 hour 15 minutes. How long it takes to fall? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just 7 minutes. It takes 6 hour 15 minutes to reach over there. It takes just 7 minutes to fall. Hmm. Humpy Dumpy sat on a wall. Humpy Dumpy had a great fall. Better close this sheet for today. It's the best idea, brother. That you are going to get this until the election. Almost every day. Almost every day. Do you think I think better to close the charts now, lol? But still you see that some people will catch the fall. Okay, they are able to catch the fall. There's nothing wrong. They're able to catch the fall. I don't know how, but yeah, they will catch the fall. Maybe they will take the cell from there. It is falling, so they will take the cell from there. I'm unable to take the cell. So if anyone think it is going to fall from this parabolic curve, see it tapped this parabolic curve, now it is falling. You can go for that. I can't do that. So let's see how it is going to work. Why you choose the last 929 candle for that Fabrica, first Fabrica bro? Maybe the first one is after 9:30 or not. Did I mark the 9:30 candle? Let me check. No sir, it's 9:30 candle. See this candle appeared on the chart around 9:30. The gap, the inefficiency has created over there around 9:30, exactly at 9:30, not 9:20. This is the 9:29 candle. So this is the candle around 9:30 and it has made that gap. Okay, look over here. It has provided from there to there 37 handle. Would you love to take that entry? Please go for that. See 37 handle. I am not interested. Maybe it will keep falling. I don't give a shit. I'm not going to take that entry. If you push your button over there, I'm telling you, brother, today or tomorrow you will make $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, and one day you will blow your account. I promise you. I challenge you because you are chasing the price. That is called chasing price. Don't chase the price. Of course, you can change the price, but if you are able to put your stop loss something like that, you will take the sell over there. Your stop loss will cover this, and then you will target wherever you want to target. Maybe here or there. Here, this is a little bit. This type of trade. If you go for this type of trade, you're good to go. Maybe I don't. I don't know, but I'm not able to do that. Hmm. Now I'm going to shift to paper trade. Please go over there. Overnight big run, morning session most of the time consolidation. If it is not consolidation, this is the weird price action. Is it going higher again from this new week opening gap? I don't know. But if you ask me, I would I really would love to see market will fall, and it will fall for this sell side liquidity. That is my expectation. I was expecting fall today. It just went a little higher. I didn't want to expect this high move. Thought that this entry fabric cup will hold the price and send it lower. It reached until this last fabric cup, which I really never expected. Okay, dollar index is falling. It is falling. Both of them are falling. A good correlation. SK, I'm not looking any kind of price action over here, brother. No price action I'm looking for here. This is just weird things. Opened and like look how much it has provided from there to there. 174 handle. Can you imagine? 174 handle market has moved already. Where the daily range is something like that. The daily range. Okay, let me show you the daily range. Now, not even I'm not going to mark this one. Not going to mark this one because that was the weird. If you see from there to there, 290, 300 handle. Whole day market has moved 300 handle. If you look this one from there to there, 179 handle. There to there, 200 handle. From there to there, 300 handle. 300 handle the whole day move, and market has provided 109.70 handle just by 8 minutes. Tito, if you can believe me or not, NQ is main, mainly Nvidia and Nvidia profit taker at open. Takers at open. I don't know the Nvidia. I never observe. It can be, brother. There is nothing like believe or unbelievable things. I never observe the Nvidia. That's all. If it helps you, go for that. There is nothing wrong with that. I mean, strategy has no limit. You can add a lot of strategy for your analysis. I never study Nvidia, so I don't know how can I use Nvidia for my NQ moving on. Some people use Amazon, some people use some other market for trading in, I mean, this NQ or ES market. I don't use them. That's all. Can anyone tell me, is there any other attack in any country? Like last time Iran attacked Israel. There is anything happened like this? Any kind of news like that? Look at this top fall to the top of this new week opening gap. Low rejection, top rejection. Can it go higher? Remember that, okay? Absolutely gambling, but still a possibilities. Oh, there's no news actually, something like that. Today, Iran killed 260 Afghans. When it happened, there's big news. There's no big news. I mean, until now, I didn't see any big news. Not in Forex Factory actually. What is that big news? Can you tell me? Good evening. Slow is past. Seems like that news time is 9:30. 9:30, not 8:30. Is Hasina got case murder case? Okay, I didn't know that. Uh, slow is fast. No voice. What do you mean by no voice? Jerry, I'm talking. I'm talking. It is coming. He's still singing the same song. It's in my head. I don't know why. Forget to boost the Discord channel. Yeah, I just need two more boosting. By the end of the day, if no one boosts, that's the destiny. I have already requested them a lot of time as it is free. If anyone do that, I'll be grateful to them. I have nothing to do. I can't force them. But thank you so much, whoever boosted that. Thank you so much, guys. Apparently, ICT took the short from the gap between 8:30 week and two equal highs on the. Okay, ICT can take that. ICT can catch that move. I can't do that. ICT is ICT. I hope you won't mind if I say that. On the 4 5 10, there is a coming. There is a coming. I don't know. I don't have the idea about the music actually, brother. This song is not going outside of my mind. I don't know why. It's a, I mean, it's just roaming in my head for last few days, like last 5 days. The way she was drinking alcohol for last 5 days. Nobody check on her. Did you check on me? Thank you, slow trader. Thank you so much, brother. Ah man, I wanted to take the sale when it will close below this candle. See this candle? Below that candle, tap to this candle. I wanted to take the sell. You saw my cursor was there. I just missed it because market didn't give me the opportunity to take the sell actually. The logic was, I mean, it didn't take me the give me the opportunity. So don't think that I was my you saw my cursor was over there. If you don't see that, just go a little before and you can see. I was just waiting to see this candle as my order block. The logic is, this is my sell side liquidity, this is my buy side liquidity, this is that 50%. This fair value gap is the 50% range fair value gap. Okay, this is the 50% range fair value gap. Hold it, fair value gap, sorry, order block, closed below the order block, tap to this order block, I'm already in the market. Target for this sell side liquidity? No, sir. Maybe this rejection block, or maybe if there is any kind of, I mean, high time frame PTR or something. That was my intention to take the sell. But if I were able to push the button, it would be a good trade. Until this area 40 handle, it was a good opportunity to take the sell actually. Did you check on me? Now I can't push the button from there. Okay, I can't push the button from there. The reason is, though I'm expecting this is going to be taken, I'm not able to push the button from there. What is the reason? Look, if I push my button over there, my stop loss is going to be at least above that candle which has made this fair value gap. Am I able to catch that 36 handle stop loss? No, sir, I can't do that. For that, I mean, for this sell liquidity, I'm not able to do that. That's why I'm not pushing the button over there. I can be wrong, right? I can be wrong. Just I'm unable to push the button. You understand the logic here? There. I was able to push the button from there because in that type of situation, my stop loss would be something here, right? There is my entry. Stop loss would be, look over here, just 15.50 handle. I was able to catch that move, but now I am not able to take that entry from this fabric, though I'm expecting it is going to work to take this liquidity. What is the logic? Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Going to put my fib from there to there. This is that 50%. See this 50%? This is the 50% range fair value gap. This is going to determine, is market going for this buy side liquidity or is it falling for this sell side liquidity. This fair value gap is going to determine that. Here, fair value gap trade, this sell side liquidity is obvious. Again, why I'm not pushing my button? Let me explain one more time. If I push my button from this fair value gap here, my stop loss has to be at least there, at least here 37 handle, or maybe for 47 handle, something like that. I'm unable to catch that move because of that 37 handle stop loss, because I can be wrong. Market can simply stop me out. I am not able to catch that 37 handle loss. Now, if I would love to take that loss, I mean, if you are able to take that loss, that is different matter. That is not my style to trade. I'm not interested to push my button. Even if it go over there, why it can fall, I have already explained. Just I can be wrong, so I don't want to take that huge risk over there. Okay, sir. I'm not interested to go to 15-second chart. First of all, 95% people are not able to go to 15-second chart. I did it in my life a lot of times. Now I'm done. A lot of complaints. I don't need the 15-second chart. I can simply clearly can see this fair value gap. From this fair value gap to this sell side liquidity. It's so clean. So clean. I'm just unable to push the button because of the stop loss. Just because of the stop loss. But it's too clean. You'll see. You'll see. Okay. From there to there. For the people who are new, I'm using paper trade. See this one? Paper trading. Paper trading. Look over here. Paper trading. If I push my button over there and I got that loss, 35 handle loss, I'm going to lose nothing, man. Just nothing. I'm not going to take the loss because this is paper money. I'm showing you how I do trade. Why I'm not interested to push the button. Why I was interested to push the button from this order block. The way I explained it, is it so beautiful or is it bad? How to look for the range. I'm sorry, SK Trades, and thank you so much, brother, because I forgot about the range fair value gap. When you asked me about the range fair value gap, I just remembered that, oh, okay, I had an opportunity to trade this market. Why I'm just sitting over here? I know how to look for the direction. But so sorry, brother. I just told you I'm not looking for the price action like that way. Okay? So actually, when I saw this reversal, I remembered that I can use the range fair value gap, 50% fair value gap. Again, this is another proof how to use the range fair value gap. Is it so precise? Let me know that. Isn't it so precise, guys? Something who is going to provide you this information. Tell me that. This entry is valid. I just didn't push my button because my stop loss was too big. I'm not able to do that, sir. Okay, I'm not able to do that. That's why I didn't push my button. Again, I'm showing you. This is my paper money. If I push my button and if I take a loss, I'm not going to lose the real money. Still, that is my trading style. I use this paper money as my real money. This is how I actually do this live streaming. Not I'm using the paper money. That's why. Oh no, I was just trying to take the sale from the order block. That was my intention. Just market didn't provide me that. My cursor was over there. If you notice or not, I don't know. It was just over there. It made this order block. I'm already in the market. Unfortunately, it didn't do that. Did you check on me? No, sir, I didn't look for the macro. I told that I will look for the macro again after the news. I don't know about anything about the macro. I'm not talking about the macro. I will talk about the macro again after the election, not news actually, after the election. Right now, as macro is so algorithmic, it is not working with the algorithm 100% precisely. So I'm not interested to look for the macro. I will go for that after the election again. Okay. This family gap information, nobody is going to provide you that. Nobody. Simply nobody. I gave you this for free. Give me money. Give me some money. Please. That buy, it's a gambling. It's a gambling. But still, that is a logic. Low rejection, top rejection. I can take a buy over there. Stop loss is below this low or below that lower line. From there until a certain level. Not for huge move. Until a certain move. You will be able to catch some move. From there. See this one? It closed below. Tap to this low. Another sell. From there. Another sell. Stop loss just above here. Here. How long? I don't know how far. Maybe until this low is still 40 handle. See? Still 40 handle below that low. 40 handle. It's a logic. Yeah, it's a gambling. Because I don't know. I mean, it will fall or not. But it's a logic. This new week opening gap reaction. This is called the new week opening gap reaction. Did you check on me? stop loss is just over there. Why? Because if you're wrong, you will get that loss. Not going to put the stop loss over here, here, no. Just one tick above the candle which has made this big fair value gap. How far? Until maybe this low. Still, this is 40 handle. Isn't enough for you? Look, it has already provided you 30 handles. See, 37, 38 handle, something like that. What is enough for you? I don't know. Whatever is enough for you, go for that. Did you check on me? These logics I have already explained lot of you. Low rejection, concurrent crossband rejection, top rejection. Did I? Did I? Break, low rejection. Simply low rejection. Or maybe I'll take a partial over here. Below that low, I'll take a partial. I'll hold my trade for this sell side liquidity after taking the partial over here around there. I'm going to remove this one, okay? Because I want to take a entry actually. So just remember it has made this relatively equal loss. So I need an empty chart to look for my entry. Now if it fall before taking the high and take this liquidity, I will just miss the trading opportunity. That's all. If I were you and if you ask me, would I take that entry? Would I take this entry? I would go for that entry. How did I go for that? I don't know you will believe me or not, but I would do this type of things. Okay, as you can see, it didn't take that high. It is falling. I'm just not interested to take that sell because it didn't take that high. If it could take that high, yes sir, I would go for the trade. It tapped to the low exactly one tick above that high. I would push my button over there for this relatively equal lows. It didn't do that. I'm not interested. See this parallel gap? My stop loss would be here around this area. I would go for this trade like that way. Now, in this type of situation, as informed, I am informed all of you. Maybe market is overzealous. It simply just stop me out before falling. You would see that I got stopped out over here. But if I would go for this trade, really, I knew that my stop loss should be there. If market failed to take that high and closed below this parabolic up one more time, I would take re-entry over there. Okay. Did he take that high? Okay, my mistake. My eyes told me that it didn't take that high, but it actually took that high. If it could tap to this low, I would go for that trade until this low. As it didn't do that, I'll let him wait. I will wait a little bit to see if it can provide me something. Perfect. Yes, sir. I didn't notice that it went one tick. But I'm just marking all the entry possibilities, which where I could go for the trade. 61 handle, 45 handle, 41 handle. Wow. Wow. Did you take that high? I can simply take the partial over there and hold my trade for so long. I'm just not interested for that. I'm going for the exact area where I'm expecting market can go until this buy side liquidity. Okay, taking partial over there, hold my trade until this high. From there to there, not interested. 20 candle is more than enough for me. I'm not watching your 4 hour chart. I actually saw a comment from my chat which was provided by Jack T where he mentioned the entry value gap. I didn't notice that. I admit that. I'm so sorry. I didn't notice that. Went to that entry value gap. Okay. Well, actually, I saw it and it was in my mind that okay, if it can reach until this entry value gap, I can go for a buy if I have some kind of relatively equal highs. Let us screen relatively equal highs over there. After taking that relatively equal lows, order block, tap to this order block, take that relatively equal highs. I don't see 4 hour chart, sir. Learn it. Everyone can take that buy, brother, or that small move. Go for the runner. Sorry, sir. I don't know how to trade the runner. Thank you, Leonardo Miguel, for writing down boom. Thank you, Ahmad Ahmed. Thank you so much, brother. I love that word. Yes, sir. That is a valid market structure shift for looking for the buy side. Unfortunately, there is no fair value gap. There was a very nice market structure shift, but there was no fair value gap. And I'm not looking for buy side, so I'm just not interested to look for any higher market structure shift. Yes, sir. I'm looking for a sell, but not from C of the new week opening gap. Still, I'm bearish. So I need to see first price closed below this new week opening gap. It will close below this new week opening gap from 15-minute chart. Okay, not exactly the new week opening gap low, but also the low of this daily fair value gap. See this low of daily bearish fair value gap. I want to see body close below this low of this daily bearish fair value gap. Then I will start to look for sell again. You are breathing hard into microphone. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. There you go. Take the partial. Hold my trade for the high of this new opening gap. Hold your trade until this area. I don't care about the runner. Runner is something you can take the partial, put your stop loss to the break even, let him go wherever it wants to go. I just don't need the runner. I'm happy with that 20 handle. More than happy for that 20 handle. See, when it has closed above this new week opening gap, look at this new week opening gap. It's so beautiful new week opening gap, but it has worked with the lower portion of this new week opening gap. No, sir. You will observe your new week opening gap from your 15-minute chart. Where did it close? Where did the body closed of this new week opening gap? Absolutely above this low. See this low? Above here. What does it mean? It closed above the new week opening gap again, made this parallel gap, tapped to this parallel gap until this consonant crossment. I'm bull. It didn't take me. No worries. I'm not going to cry. It just didn't take me. That was the logic. It just didn't take me. Like it didn't give me the entry opportunity over here from this order block. If it could give me that order block entry opportunity, what could happen? Look, this whole fall, it happened from a certain level, last parallel gap. Now, if I push a paper button over there, for example, I took a sell over there because I'm expecting it can fall from this entry parallel gap over there. Put my stop loss maybe above here until this low, or maybe until the entry parallel gap. And then if I show you this trade, if I show you this trade, and if I explain the logic, man, I was looking for sell. All of you knew that. So it came to this last parallel gap. I pushed my button over there. Or maybe I will tell it trade over here. Then I saw this parallel gap over here. Or maybe this inversion parallel gap. See this inversion parallel gap around this area? What a nice, perfect inversion parallel gap here. This one. Trade that inversion parallel gap. Boom. It's not called trading. Showing you something is different, and doing something in life which is going to repeat every single time, it's absolutely different. Try to understand the differences between these two things, please, sir. It's extremely important. If you are influenced by seeing something in social media, you are doing it wrong. Le- just just believe me that, brother. Remember around this area, where was that area? Oh, okay, it actually didn't work. I talked about here. If you push your button over there, close your trade over there, it's near about 40 handle. It's not called trading. It is called chasing the price. I waited to take my sell until it cleared some buy side liquidity. When it has cleared some buy side liquidity, yes sir, I'm good to go to take sell from this parallel gap. I'm really good to go to take sell from this parallel gap. It came here. Look at the logic. You will understand everything then, okay? Here it has the buy side liquidity, it has the sell side liquidity. Look over here, same thing. Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. First, it has taken this sell side liquidity by leaving that obvious liquidity. I'm able to take that sell. If it could tap to this low of this new week opening gap, I could go for that sell from that low to this one. It didn't trade any higher time frame period. I can't take that sell. If it tapped over there, I'm already in the sell until this liquidity. Take that liquidity, went higher. What it is going for? Because of this obvious liquidity. See this obvious liquidity? It is going for this obvious liquidity. Used this order block. Go to your 15-second chart. You will must see an fair value gap over here. 100%. Maybe you will get an precise entry over there. I'm just using this order block. Why it is order block? The lowest down close body close candle which has traded this entry fair value gap. Trade this order block. Boom. Take that relatively equal highs. Keep going higher. Why did it close? Above this new week opening gap. What I'm seeing, market has closed above the low of this new week opening gap. It is extremely bullish. How far? Until this constant encroachment. See this constant encroachment? Until this area, it is extremely bullish. I would love to take a buy from this parabolic gap which has created to the top of this new week opening gap. From this parabolic gap to until this constant encroachment. Why is this constant encroachment? Because I'm bearish. I'm looking for bear move. I'm not looking for buy move. I'm looking for bear move. This is the fair value gap, which look at this fair value gap. It has worked with the lower portion of this fair value gap. It can simply work with the whole fair value gap. I'm not just sure is it going to work with the upper portion 100% or not, but it is going at least until this constant encroachment. Until that constant encroachment. Look what happened. From this constant encroachment, boom. Logic worked. That the logic worked or not. Now it didn't take me. That is different matter, brother. But look at the reaction from this constant encroachment. My target where was that? Go back, little back, and then look what happened. How far it has reached. Exactly where I was expecting. Perfect. Can I take a sell? Absolutely, you can take a sell, but you have to wait to see this new opening gap has broken. If it is broken, go for the sell. No worries. I don't have problem. If this candle could tap to the low, then come back again to this parabolic gap within 3 candle. 1, 2, 3. Within 3 candle, if it could come here, I would take the rebuy until this constant encroachment. Now it came back again here. From where? To the constant encroachment. Can I take that sell? No, sir. Sorry. Can I take that buy? No, sir. I can't take that buy. Can I take a sell? Are you willing to take sell from the top of this new week opening gap? I don't have that power, brother. Take the sell to the top of this new week opening gap. I can't take the sell. I can look for the buy but not sell. Selling is not valid for me. So what you are suggesting? If you ask me, yes sir, I would love to take a buy. How? See this parabolic gap? If it can close above this parabolic gap, tap to this parabolic gap, yes, I would love to take a buy. Where? See this relatively equal highs over there. Why is that? Because I'm using this new week opening gap. Just this new week opening gap. Where is going to be your stop loss? My stop loss is just going to be below this new week opening gap. One tick below this new week opening gap here. That buy side liquidity until that area. Someone has taken the membership. Who is that? Witness of Joshua. Thank you. Welcome to the king, brother. And you know the rules. You have to say penguin, brother. What is your bias? Bearish. What is this then? Counter trade. If it doesn't come over here, I'm not going to chase the price. Simple. If you would love to go for this trade, what would you do? See this week, 50%. I'll put a limit order over there to the top of this fair value gap. Why is that fair value gap? Because this fair value gap should hold the price. It has done the manipulation over there. Retest this order block. All the buyers, sorry, sellers were thinking this is the resistance zone. They chased this price. That some of them took the sell here. Some of them took the sell here. So what it will do? It will go higher again, stop them out. Then if it wants to fall, it can fall. There, you see this candle, I'll take the buy over there. Okay, and my stop loss is going to cover this area. Where is your target profit? That relatively equal highs. Maybe one tick above there, relatively equal highs over there, around this area. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me remove this and let me wait. I covered the 50% of that week at the same time the low of this new week opening gap, both of them. Forget about the stop loss because if it is more than 20 handle, I don't go for those type of trade. But I'm just showing you how I can frame this type of setup. I'm not interested to look for sell. I'm only interested to look for buy because market is above the new week opening gap. If it was below this new week opening gap, I would go for the sell because my selling is my uh, direction. I would love to take the sell. This is the counter trade. Okay. But brother, there is a fair value gap. Why you are not giving the priority to this fair value gap? Brother, where is this bearish fair value gap? Above the new week opening gap. To understand why this fair value gap is not strong enough, because it is above the new week opening gap. New week opening gap is much more stronger comparing with your normal fair value gap. Comparing with that normal fair value gap, this is much more stronger. Okay, if you can learn something from here, you will earn something from here. I promise you, brother. But if it fall, I'll take the loss. That's why it is called trading. If I knew that I'm going to be profitable, I would never share this for you with all of you, right? If I knew that 100% of the time I'm going to be the profitable trader. This down close body close candle, it should work as an order block, a perfect order block. That means if I would love to add more, I will add more over there. See this, it tapped to this order block. I would love to add more over there. Now I'm not going to add more over here. I'm just telling you the logic here. Tapped over there, I added more over there. As it reach until the open, I would love to put it at the open. As it reach until this area. Target relatively equal highs. Can you target this high or that high? Absolutely you can. Take the partial. You have to take the partial over there. Then you can hold your trade for this area. I have no problem with that. Not at all. No problem at all. But that should be the partial because these people are also going to be the profitable over here. All of these people, whoever took the sell from this line, they put their stop loss above that zone. I want them to be stopped out first. Why it is reacting from this area? See this red line? Opening gap 50%. This is the opening gap 50%. Please don't copy my trade. Tapped over there, I will add more over there. Because I am expecting this is just the reaction from both this parabolic gap low and this 50% of that opening gap. From both of this area, this is the reaction. That reaction is sending the price little lower. So whoever are thinking this is a very strong resistance zone, they are taking the sell. Again, they are taking the sell. Took my stop loss just below that new week opening gap. If I'm wrong, it will stop me out over here. That's why my stop loss is over there. It should not reach until this area. That's why it's safe over there. I could put it below this low, right? Because market can simply fall a little bit, one tick below that low, stop me out, then it can go higher. I know that if it really would love to go higher, stop them out, it should not fall until this area again. Even it should not reach until the 50% of that week. If I'm wrong, I'll get stopped out here. Did you check on me? No, I'm not afraid by seeing this. I'm absolutely not afraid because I know this constant encroachment is my last line where market should not reach. So until it is not here, I'm not afraid by seeing this fall. This is I'm all seeing that market is making some kind of dilution over here. Yeah, if it reach over there, I'm wrong. Then I will start to go for my directional bias again. That means as I'm bearish, I'll start to look for the price close below this low from 15-minute chart to look for my sell. Until then, I'm okay. I'm not interested or I'm not afraid. Oh man, it was very near to my target. Now it is reversing. I'm not afraid at all from there. I will be afraid or I will get the stopped out if it can reach this constant encroachment before taking that high, those highs. Now I'm good. I'm bad. It reached here, I'm bad now. It stopped me out over there. I got stopped out. I will start to look for sell now. Close below this low over here, I'll start to look for sell. Wherever it will close, then if it can make a fair value gap over here, I'll start to look for sell. For what? For long sell or maybe to that low of this opening gap until this area. If it can close below this low, it didn't close, I'm not going to look for the sell. I can change the price here. For example, I can take and sell here from that candle. Just expected that market is going to fall because it has made again the relatively equal lows. Then when it will close below here, tap to this fabric gap low again. I'll add one more over there for low, much more lower. I took some losses over there with the price action. I was wrong. Market didn't clear those highs that constant encroachment respected. I will mitigate my loss again from there around this area. Stop loss is going to be above that one and here maybe until this area 4800. I'll go for that. Now if I keep doing that, you will see a lot of entries and then A will come and he will tell me you are actually gambling. Did you take on me? So I'm just explaining it. Okay, so over here that is my that could be my entry. Stop loss would be there above that candle. Maybe I'll take a partial over here first. Still it is 21 handle. I'll wait until this area. What I will do when price will close below this low, I will add more over there by believing that market is going to fall. Why I'm doing that? Because now this time it is not perfect. The way it fall over there without making this order block valid, it can simply fall the same way. I'm just not interested to miss that trade. Stop loss above that candle. Simply just one tick above that candle. Wrong, got stopped out. Not going to trade in this area until it is not broken. Please don't copy the trade. Look over here, it has made relatively equal lows around this area. Yes, you can. There's nothing wrong. You can go for that. I'm not pushing the button because this constant encroachment has broken. So I'm not going for those highs now anymore. If it take those highs, I'll wait to see if it can close above that constant encroachment. Then I'll go for buy again. This is the perfect order block. Actually, I'll go for that trade if it can tap this order block. Actually, just to mitigate the loss. But this buying is really tough for me because market left that sell side liquidity. Left that liquidity, so it's really tough. But yeah, it is what it is. Bad decision ever. Worst decision ever. Hmm, worst decision over. Yeah, that was the bad decision. This sell was the bad decision. It left that liquidity. I shouldn't go for that buy. I should have waited. I'm sorry, that was the bad decision. This one, absolutely, that was the bad decision. Now it will keep falling without giving any kind of entry opportunity. It will just keep falling. Just keep falling. No pausing over there. It should keep falling. Yes, sir, because market is not precise. First of all, the way it reached above this candle, this buy was bullshit decision because market left that sell side liquidity. That buy was absolutely a bullshit decision. Which I shouldn't go for that buy. That was the bullshit decision ever. But the when the sale was created over there, it should not go back again above this parabol gap. It doesn't need to go back above this parabol gap one more time. The selling was cool, but yeah, but the buying was absolutely bullshit. I should have waited to take this sell side liquidity first. It was a very clean sell side liquidity. I just didn't wait for that. When I pushed my button, I already got that I did a mistake. I'm working with the new week opening gap. This market has closed below this new week opening gap. Okay, so this candle has closed below this new week opening gap. If I don't go for this sell, which is my actually toward my direction, I am looking for sell until this sell side liquidity, it's gonna be something I'll regret. So that's why I pushed my button from this fair value gap 22 YT model. Depending on that, that was the order block here. I just didn't wait for this order block, I added more over there by believing this is going to work as a order block. Here, this is the order block open and the order block low. Want to see a body close below this line. So this is the next thing I'm expecting right now. This is the obvious sell side liquidity market left over there. That's why I just take a partial. I just put a partial over here below this sell side liquidity. If you tap over there, I'll add more. I want to add more over there from this order block level. All I want to see, it will close below this line now. If it when it will close below this line, sell side liquidity, first partial, last fair value gap top is my target. And if you look from there to there, it's near about 72 handles. So whatever I took the loss over there, everything will be mitigated over here. When I'll take the partial, I'll put my stop loss just one tick above that new week opening gap low. Selling was my what to say, I mean, I was looking for sell. So every kind of buying opportunity, I'll let them go. Whatever I've done over there, I was just trying to catch that small move. That buy was bullshit, absolutely bullshit. I'm so sorry for that because I shouldn't go for that buy when market left that sell side liquidity. Okay, I really am like feeling like very crazy right now for pushing that button. That sell, I just didn't wait for. I mean, I didn't wait for that candle close below this low, and it punished me. Okay, it is acceptable. It has punished me, but that buy was absolutely bullshit decision. Okay, I'm really regretting for that. But now when this candle has closed below this new week opening gap, see this new week opening gap, this has closed below this new week opening gap. I have that clean setup over here. I can't miss that sell. So I would love to go for this sell. Even if I were trading to my real money, I would go for that. Yeah, I wouldn't add them. I wouldn't add them because I don't add or I don't do the pyramid things. But yeah, I would go for this sell. That's for sure. Partial has to be here to this low. I did one thing wrong actually over here. I put my stop loss over there, but I wouldn't go for that. I would cover the high only. You can see this high. I would just cover that high if I were trading my real money. But still, I would love to put it over there or maybe little higher of that. But in my real money, I would just cover the breakaway gap, constant crossman, and the high over there, just around this area. This is my first partial. I can't take the partial. I mean, I can't move the partial little higher because that is the obvious liquidity. I'm expecting market is going to fall. So that should be my partial in the run or in the way of the run. And then I'll close my trade over there. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, the perfect setup is not going to work and I'm done for this morning session. This would be my second entry for today. First entry here, second entry this one. This would be my second perfect entry, which should work. Mhm. It should work. Okay. I mean, I can be wrong, but it should work. Don't want to see any body close above that line. Body should not close above that line. Again, I can be wrong, but this should work. Okay. I can be wrong. Again, While I'm watching how the bodies are going to close. It should not close above the mean threshold of that order block. In this morning session, I have just seen two entry which is perfect, and I would go for that. One is here, this one. Second one is this one. This two entry is the only entry I got from today, which is perfect according to my knowledge. All I care about the body close. If the body close below the mean threshold, I'm very happy. I'm very happy. If it close above the mean threshold, I'm I'm not good. Okay, it has closed above this mean threshold. I'm not good. I'm not going to move the stop loss. I'll keep it over there. Either it will hit it or it will provide me what I'm looking for. I'll move my stop loss if and only if it can close below this low one more time. Fake breakout, I just need the confirmation. So one more time it will close below this low. I'll move my stop loss. Until then, I'm just not interested to move my loss. If it stops me out, I'll get stopped out over here. Why it is doing that? I hope and I believe it is doing this because of the macro. We are in the macro time, so I believe after 11 it will provide me the run I'm expecting. Or around the 11, absolutely. Again, sir, this is my only two trade I'm seeing today, which is perfect, and I could go for first trade here, here, second trade here. This only two trade I could go for today. So I, in my opinion, it should work. Now, if it doesn't work, I'll be wrong in this trade. If it doesn't close, I'll really get hurt because I mean, if it doesn't provide the win, I'll really get hurt because this is one of the perfect setup I always look for, and it doesn't appear on the chart almost every day. very rare it appeared on the chart. So if it doesn't work, I'll really get so hurt today if it doesn't work. Okay, because I am really so confident about this type of entry where I got the perfection. See, this candle has closed below this low, then the very next candle has closed below this low as well, below this new week opening gap. This is something called very perfect. Okay, we don't see this type of perfection a lot to our chart, and this type of perfection, a perfect entry, if they don't work, I'll really get hurt today if it doesn't work. It should work, by the way. Not giving the 100% confirmation. The reason is market just making me, what to say, no word to say about the market. But it should work. I hope that it will work. I need speed now because it's already 11 past 1. So it should fall dramatically. It should not do this type of reaction from this to bullish fair value gap. Left that lower fair value gap absolutely open, even it is working to the upper portion of this bullish fair value gap, which is absolutely bad. So it should, boom, one candle will just break both of this fair value gap and closed below this one. This should happen right now. It should leave this liquidity over here for later, for the the lunch hour. It should leave that liquidity at least for the lunch hour. Not right now. It should take that. See this candle. I want to see this candle, which will close both of this fair value gap with speed, and it will close below this fair value gap. If it doesn't close below this fair value gap, it is not good. In that type of situation, I will see the liquidity has taken here. Liquidity taken has done. It will reverse now. That is really pathetic. So pathetic. I love it. I love it. Now it should keep falling. Just it should keep falling. By 1 2 3 candle, it should take that liquidity. With it 1 2 3 candle, take that liquidity with the speed. No more speed, not like this. It is engineering the liquidity. I don't like the engineered liquidity. Engineering liquidity means it will go higher again, take some kind of liquidity, then it will fall for this liquidity. I don't like that, because if it go higher, how far it will go, I don't know. It can simply go for this liquidity. I really don't know how far it will reach. So I don't like that engineering liquidity. I need sudden move, fall, boom. Let's see if it work as in-person parallel gap. Not the lower one, this upper one. I'll put my stop loss over here. Even if I get a stopped out, I'm okay with that, because now it has engineered the liquidity. It can simply reverse again, and if it reverse, how far it will go, I don't know. It can simply come here to take that liquidity. I don't want to take that risk, so I'll cover the new week opening gap low only. I have this area, order block, min threshold, inversion fair value gap, this fair value gap. I have all of them, so I don't want to take that risk. Again, the same engineered liquidity has created here as well. This is also the liquidity engineered. This low and that low has generated the liquidity. Liquidity generation is very bad because market can simply reverse left that liquidity for later and can work with the upper portion. I don't want to see this type of things. By the way, how much did it provide it? 39 handle. That is cool. This candle's body should close below the mean threshold of this range. Body to body. So if here to here, see this 50%, the body should close below this 50% now. This is just a week. If you change the time frame, you will see there is a week. Can be from 2 minute chart. Let me check the 2 minute chart. Yeah, from 2 minute chart, you can see this is a week here. So now it should close below the week. Otherwise, I'm in great danger. It's just playing with me, not working the way I'm expecting it should work. I'll keep an tool over there to see if I would hold my trade for this stop loss. Would it would be a good decision or not? Okay, let him hit my stop loss. I'm not worrying about that because I just covered the new week opening gap low, which should hold the price. If it doesn't hold it, I can be absolutely wrong and it can simply keep going higher. I just put it over here just to observe if my stop loss was over there, was it a good decision or not? Or did I move my stop loss? Is it a good decision? That's why, okay, I got a stop loss. Just provided me 39 handle and then stop me out. Engineered liquidity going higher, how far it can reach. I want to see that. I can be wrong. I mean, it can simply trade this breakaway gap before falling again. Just did I do the right thing or wrong thing? That's why I put my tool over there just to observe. Was it because of my tight stop loss or trailing stop loss too fast? Was that the reason? Or did I do the good decision? Because when it has engineered the liquidity, it, if it started to go higher, it will go for the liquidity. Here I have this liquidity, I have that liquidity, I have this liquidity. Which liquidity it is going to take? I don't know. So that's why I mean I just covered that new week opening gap. I minimized my loss over there. That's all. Should I close that trade over there when it has provided me 40 handle? Should I go for that runner? What should have I done? Am I thinking about buying? No, sir. I'm not interested to look for buy. It should keep falling. Yeah, it should keep falling. Yeah, equal lows taken out happen all time perfectly. Same happened yesterday. Okay, let me teach you guys how you can lose an account with only micros. Maybe partial and break even stop at 20377. Okay, I mean in the PM session. When I took that buy, I closed my trade over there with 20 handle. I didn't even hold it until this area because I'm afraid of holding my trade for so long. Why I did that over there. Hold my trade here and here. What I did wrong over there. What should I have done over there? If I closed it beforehand, was it profitable or not? Like 40 handle, was it profitable for me or not? This everything is so precise. When I'm taking losing trade, I'm holding my trade for so long. It has already given me the opportunity to take partial to close my trade. I didn't do it. Hey, how are you, brother? Did you eat again? No, don't time out him. Why you are timing out him, brother? My zone has done over there. My entry has done over here. Everything I'm doing over there, this is explaining the price action just for that. My trade has done, not this one, not that first entry over there, 20, not that one. This is my entry. Okay, brother? That is my entry. And when I got that profit, I'm done for the day. Don't just time out him outlander. Let him stay. Okay. I did the best decision by trailing the stop loss because it stopped me out over there. Look, brother, I know that though you are timed out, but you are able to listen to me. See this entry? That is my entry. I'm done for the day by taking that entry from there to until this rejection block or to the low of this new week opening gap. From until this area, I would love to take an entry over here. Stop loss will be there, exactly there. If I get stopped out, perfect. No worries. I will try to take a re-entry. If I don't get the re-entry, no worries. I'm done. Here, partial is to the top of this fair value gap, new week opening gap, 18 handle partial, closed my trade to the tick by tick to the low of this new week opening gap. Not even one tick below that low. Not even one tick below that low. Maybe one tick above that low. My trading has done. I'm not going to push not even a single button over there. Never ever. This buy no. This buy no. This sell no. Nothing. If you ask me for today, I can see only two trade. Just two trade. This is the first trade. This is my second trade here. When it tapped to this parallel gap, exactly there, that is my entry. Stop loss is there. Target is this low. Sorry, not that low. See this rejection block here? Exactly to this rejection block. That is my target. Exactly to that rejection block. If I would love to take a partial, yes sir, I will take a partial over there, then I will hold it until this area by putting the stop loss to the break even. I will take a partial over here 100% sure. For I this is 30 handle, maybe not exactly there, maybe below that low, maybe below that low. Here 22 handle, I'll take a partial over there, then I will hold my trade. For this area I'll trail my stop loss. This is my trading. I got this entry, profitable entry, I'm done. If you ask me, this is just two trade I can see for today. It didn't reach until this area. That doesn't mean I'm a loser. I took the losing trade. No sir, I never hold my trade for the runner. 60 70 handle, no sir, I don't go for them. I never go for them. From there to there, this rejection block until this rejection block, I'm done. For this 30 handle, I'm more than happy for this 30 handle. I'm just done for this day. If it worked perfectly until this area, 36 handle, I am not going to push button over there. Never, nowhere. Okay, brother? If it is clear to you, I don't need to be right every single what is happening over there. I can simply keep pushing the button, keep explaining the price action when I was explaining the price action over here around this area, where and how it should go, exactly how should it go through this parabol cup. I explained them. That is my intention, not to take entry, brother. I think you should take some coffee, or if you are hungry every day's morning, you're so hungry. So please take some coffee to get refreshed, brother. Why you so angry on me, brother? What is the reason for holding my trade until this area? Because if it could reach until this area, I would be able to explain every single move over there. But if it is closed over there, I'm done, right? All of you are done. That's why I hold it until this area. Partial this area. I did it until this area so that if it reach over here, I will be able to explain the price action. When and how I should wait for some specific thing. That's all, brother. Now, maybe I didn't take that entry. I got that 20 handle. Why do I need to take another trade, brother? One contract 20 handle, it's near about $400. One contract 20 handle, $400. I'm done for that $400. I could push my button there, from there to there. See this candle, there to there. No, I'm not interested to push my button over there. When it tapped to this low, I could push my button from there to that top, maybe 20 handle, something like that. Again it come back again there, low, until this relatively equal lows. Look what I'm showing you here. I keep showing you this type of things, very small move from there, not huge. Okay, it's 40 handle, actually huge, it's huge. This 40 handle is huge. Actually, I'm not interested to take that 40 handle as well. Like small move. Okay, it tapped to this low here. I would love to go for a buy. I stopped, get out here. I stopped out here by that candle. I will wait to see if it can candle close below this travel cap. Closed below this travel cap from 50 minutes at everything is perfect. I'd love to take a sell from there again. How long? Until the rejection block. That's all. You want me to take one entry? I took one profitable entry. Now explain rest of the day by explaining this price action. If you want that, I can do that. Engineering liquidity and taking liquidities, when came here, right? Then it started to go higher. That means it is engineering the liquidity and it is going higher to take some liquidity. When it will take some liquidity, it will fall again for this sell side liquidity. So if you are thinking that market is going higher, you are wrong, because market is going to come back again to take this liquidity. It has already made the liquidity here. When this type of things happen, when the price action is not good, when market maker is doing the manipulation, in that type of situation market keep doing this. When this candle appeared over there, closed below this low, this candle low, see this line, when it closed below this low, it has no way to reverse. It should keep falling until this last parallel gap. One, two, three. Within 2 to 3 candle, it should come over here. What it has done? Perfect manipulation. Market went higher again, stopped all of them. All of them got stopped out. Now tapped over here. See this tap over there? Another buy. Here. How far? Until this order block. See this order block? Exactly to that open of this order block, until that order block. Another buy. Stop loss below this last parallel gap here. Let me mark the line over there. That stop loss. Now, what else do I have? This parallel gap. Is this parallel gap going to stop the price? It will depend on your direction. What is your direction? Are you bearish or are you bullish? If you are bullish, you are good to go to target that order block. If you are bearish, you should target this parallel gap over there. This parallel gap. You should target that parallel gap. What you are going to target, it's up to you. It reach until this area. I would love to take a sell here around this area. Around this area. It tapped over there. I would love to take a sell. Where I'm going to cover this parallel gap. I should cover the parallel. I mean, the candle has made this parallel gap. So over here, and where is going to be my target? See this entry parallel gap over here. This is unfinished business until this entry parallel gap. But above this entry parallel gap, what do I have? New week opening gap. I'll take a partial over there, or I will put my target to this low of this parallel gap, new week opening gap. Why? Because this is logic. If your bias is bearish, this sell is valid. If your bias is bullish, then you should close your trade to this parallel gap. If your bias is, sorry, not. If your bias is bullish, you will close your trade that order block. Until that order block, you will hold your trade. If your bias is bearish, you will close your trade to this parallel gap. You'll take a small trade over there until hot, until this area, or maybe until this entry parallel gap. You will keep doing this all the day. How many winning trade do you need? It all depends on your level. But when you got a winning trade, I always keep saying stop over there. I don't like the runner 60 handle, 70 handle, 80 handle. I don't go for them. I'm happy from 25 to 40 handle. If I get 25 to 40 handle, I'm more than happy. Simple logic. Buy at 5 minute favorable gap and wait. Where is the 5 minute favorable gap? Let me check. I'll go for that buy. So this is your buy, right? Exactly to the low. So you took a buy there. Where should my stop loss, brother? And where should be my target? I guess this could be my target. That relatively equal highs. And stop loss should be okay there, right? I guess stop loss is okay over there. Good morning, Titus. Saros done in the 1 a.m. move, sitting on sidelines, building up mental capital by staying away from platform. Did you remember, Rakesh, about what did I say after the stream? I mean after the Discord stream about my entry? You are late, I can see. So check that things. Exactly that things I told you yesterday after the live streaming. Whatever I told, I hope that you remember. Do you remember about my entry? Just don't reveal it, but if you remember, please watch today's live. You will understand exactly what I mean. Okay, that is the live example. Today is the live example of that. Oh, okay. So you didn't take the buy. I thought you took the buy. If you think that you are able to trade all day long, sorry, you won't be able to do that. All day long, you can't trade. Market started to fall over there, came until this to the top of this new week opening gap. The new week opening gap top rejection has sent the price until this travel gap over here. I'm able to frame a setup from there until certain level. Closed below this new week opening gap. I'm able to frame another setup from there. I'm done. Two times it worked, I'm done. Then what is market doing? I don't care about that. All day long, excuse me, I can't keep trading. I took the buy with micros. I'm saying for others. Oh, okay. I'm positive since Asian session, so no trades for me. Yes, sir, but I was away. I'm late. Okay, no problem, Rakesh. Just rewatch it, okay? Took partial and holding. Okay, that's the best idea, brother. Took always to take the partial. Always take the partial. Partial will pay you. Always. Sir, I'm not like ICT to take an entry and then explain the rest of the day for that one entry. Okay, you have to understand that part. If I you want that, I can do that. I will push every single time. I'll push the button and I'll explain the price action when and how it should react from that specific area. If it doesn't do that, you will be habituated to see this type of price action and you will get an idea when it is reacting from that order block. How should it react when it didn't close? I mean, below this inversion parallel gap, how should it react over there? Okay. No, Leon, don't participate. The price has done its job. Look over here what it has done. Fall from there to there. What do you expect, brother? More price action? What it started to do? Look over here what it is doing. See this sell side liquidity? Here, it has made this sell side liquidity from 15 minute chart. I'm bearish. I'm not bullish. I don't give a shit if it keep going higher. I know that it is going higher to take the liquidity only. But still, please don't try to trade. The PM session is also very bad. No, it's not 50-minute liquidity actually, it's 5-minute liquidity. I was thinking about that. Yeah, still, this is the liquidity as well from 50-minute chart. It has traded this last parallel gap. It doesn't need to come back again to this parallel gap. It doesn't need to come back here. It should leave this parallel gap open the way it is over there. Then I will get the breakaway gap. That breakaway gap will tell me that market is falling for this sell side liquidity. If it come here to this trade this breakout, this parallel gap, that means it will go again higher and it will go for some kind of buy side liquidity or something like that over there. If I have something above the market, I guess there is some kind of buy side liquidity. It will go for that buy side liquidity. I can't look for sell anymore if it reach to this bearish parallel gap. Okay, these buyers got stopped out. All of these buyers got stopped out. Now it's time to fall. I want a fall. Exactly from where? If it can reach until the low of this parallel gap, that is the best case of scenario. I will get constant cosmic rejection, low rejection. That is the best case of scenario. PM session is bullshit. I don't like to trade the PM session. Morning session yesterday was awesome. Today was awesome. morning session is awesome until now, but it is going to be bullshit again after some days. Guys, I mean, yeah, I'm going to close it, and I'm really getting so much inspiration from all of you. Thank you for that inspiration. Maybe very soon I'm going to stop the streaming here in YouTube. Okay, I really don't know what to say. I mean, but yeah, you guys are. I mean, some of you, not all of you. Some of you are not worthy to learn these things. Okay, yeah, you are. You should pay the money to learn this price action. Then you will understand the importance of this. You will pay fucking $1,000. Then you will understand the importance of these things. Whatever I'm giving you this. Some of you are really so awesome. You just come to spread the negativity. And yeah, no worries. You will go to those people who actually charge you $1,000 for that bullshit price action, and they will give you some bullshit things, and you will be like, you'll be very happy. You'll be very happy. I paid $1,000 and they'll just give you the bullshit things. I'm so sorry to say that, but yeah, it's true. You all want a winning trade. You don't want to learn this bullshit price action. Okay, no problem. Whoever is looking for buy, wait for that. Okay, just wait for that. After finishing this stream, rewatch it one more time. Just rewatch it. Whoever don't like it and whoever is thinking something else, whatever I'm telling or I'm doing here, you don't need to come here. Please don't do that. Don't take my head. Okay? I can't do like other people. I can't do that. What did you say? You can take another shot at buy at 434 if it falls. 434. Where is it? 434. I'll go for that. 434. Okay. If it come over here, I can take another buy. Okay, that's cool. I wanna I wanna go with you guys. You take my nerve. Why not? It no more buys because it just took liquidity and now it won't buy. Okay, I'm going to remove this one then. Shorts are scary time. I wanna watch. I wanna just watch. My next trade is going to be a winning trade. Whatever I will do, okay? I'm not going to explain anything, but it's gonna be a winning trade. I'll target 20 handle. I don't care about the risk to reward ratio. My maximum stop loss will be 30 handle. But if you copy my trade, you will regret. I can be, I mean, it can be losing. So please don't copy my trade, okay? Please just don't do it. I have been dreaming of the past few days. Did you look at me? Did you look at me? I will take time. Obviously, I will take time. Absolutely, you can look for short if you want. You're free to go for everything. Please don't copy my trade. It's my request. Anybody, please don't copy my trade. Because I don't like the, what to say, the blaming. Later he will come back to me and tell me, brother, I took the loss because of you. I don't like it. So I told that I'm going to take the winning trade, but I can be wrong. Simply I can get stopped out before that 20 handle. So if you do, I mean, copy my trade and then get stopped out, you will blame me. I don't like that. to be honest, I should put my stop loss to the break even now because it tapped to the low. But as I told, I will go for 20 handle. I'm not just moving my stop loss. That's all. I'll just stop over there to that 20 handle. There you go, my 20 handle. This is my trading, brother. Okay, this is my trading. But I'm not here to show you my trading or everything. I'm here just to explain the price action. I called it beforehand that I'm going to take my winning trade. The next winning trade is gonna be my 20 handle winning trade. My stop loss will be maximum 30 handle. It was 22 handle. That was my exact 20 handle target. This is my boom. Okay. Yeah, it takes little long. I'm so sorry for that because I had to wait for the price action. I have nothing to do. But yeah, this is all, brother. But you guys actually, not all of you. Some of you are really good, but you guys don't deserve to learn these things for free. You deserve to pay $1,000, $5,000, $25,000 for their bullshit explanation, and then you should go for the no. I don't know what to say. Thank you, sir. But yeah, you guys actually break my heart. So very soon I'm going to stop this YouTube, maybe from the next month until the election. I really would love to overhear. I love to overhear. Then maybe I don't know. By the thank you for writing down boom. No need to write down boom. No, I'm not angry, brother. I'm just fed up because of some people's comment. I really don't know what to say. I mean, in my childhood, I heard that people actually don't give a shit for the free things, and now I'm getting this very precisely. Really, people doesn't give a shit for the free things. They deserve to pay. Okay, they deserve to pay for the bullshit teaching. Oh, brother, you keep. I mean, you have done it by luck, pure luck. It was bullish, so you took the buy. I marked the everything over here. I have explained this price action. Sorry, this parallel gap. I have explained this parallel gap, this propulsion block. I have explained everything about this. Oh man, it's break my heart. Thank you, T2. Love you. Don't let the haters get you down. Hey Jack, who is this Jack T? Are you guys the same? I can see the Jack T and Jack T. Are you guys different or are you guys the same one? I don't know. Why you guys don't get the point? I really don't know. In my life, how many times did I tell, please don't take entry when market is here in this new week opening gap. Don't even try to predict the entry when market is working with this new week opening gap. How many times did I tell? Two beautiful price action when market is outside of this new week opening gap. If you don't, how many times did I tell? Don't look for the runner. Go for 15 to 20 handle. You have no idea how much you will be able to get from this market if you just look for 15 to 20 handle. Oh man. Oh, okay. You guys are different. People who understand trading, they know how much of a master you are, brother. Hey, Tony. Thanks for that compliment, man. Thank you so much. Hey, Muktadir. Get some tea, bro. We are here to learn, and you're a good teacher. Learning lots. Thank you. You're most welcome, Mosh. Some of you actually bound me to come over here again and again and again. Some of you, okay? To be honest. Ah, man. Hey, Winston. It's been a long. I don't see your name. You forget me, brother. You forget me. I remember your name. Mosh is the right, brother. Some people need to lose accounts to get a lesson learned. They deserve to pay $1,000 to learn the price action, even from the best of ICT students. Okay, it's the hard truth. Mhm. You're doing great. Thank you, Leonardo. Brother, just rejoin. What's the T2 beast mode about? Some people's comment. I wasn't in beast mode. I just told my next entry is going to be the winning trade. My target is going to be 20 handle. My stop loss is going to be maximum 30 handle. Maximum. So that was my talking, and then I took an entry. That's all. No beast mode, nothing. Go members on the chat, bro. I should go like that way. I think so. But I'm just lurking around. Okay, no problem. Just don't forget me, brother. Just don't forget me. It's already 12. I don't want to talk about the price action anymore. Okay. So whoever wants to leave, you can leave. I would love to stay a little more here so that my mood can be changed, and then I can come back around the PM session again, because I know the PM session what is going to provide me the bullshit price action ever, and I won't be able to show you any kind of precision over there according to the rules. If I explain this price action, it will hurt you. I can't explain this entry. I can't do it. If I explained it will hurt you. Believe me or not. If you ask me, are you willing to take that same entry in your real money? No, sir. I will never, ever, ever, ever push my button over there for that buy. Never, ever. But it worked. I don't give a shit. I'm sorry to say. Yeah, it's true. Please don't let yourself, okay, be put under pressure. If people are here, expect you to win every trade, then they don't understand anything about trading and should go spend their time at a playground. You are my bestest brother. Thank you, Jerry. Love you, man. Slow is fast. So thankful to cross path with you, brother Tito. Thank you so much, brother. I was right about the trained algo. Lol. Hey, Shom. Thanks. I mean, it's good to know that you are right. If you are right, I'm very happy. I mean, whenever you guys are right and I'm wrong, I get very happy. But my request not to tell me that. Okay, just don't tell me that. I mean, some of you just told me when I was looking for a buy. Some of you just told me there was an SMT. I just don't remember who was that. There is an SMT and there can be a potential short. Okay, it breaks my confidence. I'm a human being. Okay, trust me, man. I'm a human being. When I'm looking for some specific thing, and some of you just tell me that it can go higher or opposite to my direction, it breaks my confidence. Okay, am I wrong? Is it really working? Is it falling? Something like that. Okay, it breaks my confidence. I'm a human being. I'm not a robot. So just don't let me know whatever you are thinking. But if you're right, I'm very, very happy for you, brother. I'm very happy because you got winning trade. You're the bestest price action trader out here, Titu. Let the haters hate. We'll invite you to our house once we hit 200k. Wait and watch. Thank you, SK, for that compliment, man. Love you. Thanks to your lessons, I finally started to you understand ICT in easy mode. That's my achievement, Tony. That's my achievement, man. You are my wizard. You teach me a lot. Thank you, Jerry. But no, on the other hand, you tend to be very emotional when it comes to provocation or people's reactions. Don't be like that. It's childish. Saying things like, I will quit because you. It is. Yep, I know. I know. I know that. I'm little childish. Childish, actually. I mean, don't go away from teaching. Okay, sir. I need at least more 6 months. I'm a slow learner. I will try. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like very bad, but why I can't explain that if I don't push the button, I am unable to explain the price action. When I pushed my button over there, I keep saying what I'm expecting right now. What I what market should do, right? Yeah, when I keep saying that again and again, it will knock in your mind. Oh, okay, you are in a trade, you know what you should look for over there because it will knock in your mind. But the problem is, if I don't push the button, whatever is happening over there, I didn't talk about nothing here, right? But for example, I was in this trade, I pushed my button over there, I could simply keep talking about this price action. That's why I keep pushing the button. And in YouTube, lot of traders are out there, okay, they are taking the winning trade, they're taking lot of winning trade. If you want to copy the trade, please go over there. They're the best, okay, I'm not the best, I'm the worst one. I always am serious about my first and second pushing button. My first and second pushing button, I'm always serious. If my pushing button is a winning, I'm done. I'm not serious about this thing. Every single time I'll push my button just to explain the price action. I'm not a teacher, okay? I'm not a by-born teacher. I don't know how to teach. That's why I need my way to explain the price action. And that is, I have to push the button. I just told yesterday to Rakesh. Okay, we are talking, and I just told him, brother, when I'm serious about my trade, I'm always serious about my trade for the first time, not from the first parabolic gap entry. You know, it is just an observation. So when I'll push my button from the first parabolic gap, that is just an observation. You know that. I already declared that. But rest of the time when I'll push my button, I'll keep talking what it should go and where it should stop. If I don't push my buy over there, I won't be able to explain where I am expecting market should stop. So please, my trading is not this. Lot of entries, no sir. This is not my trading. My trading is here. Took the sell until this low. After taking the partial, I'm done. Stop loss just one tick above this breakaway gap. If it stop me out, come back again, close to this parallel gap, I'll push re button. I'll re-push my button. One more time. Come here, I'm done. Didn't work, I will wait until this area. I have already taken 2 losses. I will take 2 more losses over there. 4 losses, I'm done. That is my limit. I go for 4 losses because my stop loss is always too tight. Here, if you look over there, right there, until the constant crossman, I guess it will be there somewhere. 15 handle, something like that. 415, 60 handle. Even I wouldn't wait for that 60 handle. I'll trail my stop loss. I never hold my trade for the runner. 25 to 60 handle. If I get any kind of PDRA to close my trade, for example, I took that sell over there. For example, okay, this is my sell from this parallel gap. Where is going to be my stop loss? I'm not telling you lie. This one tick above this last, I mean, this parallel gap high. This is my stop loss. 25 handle. I'll go for that 25 handle risk. Target is this parabolic gap. I would love to target this parabolic gap by my partial. I mean, sorry. Let me finish the way I would love to talk first. That will be my partial. Now, how many handle is there? 72 handle. No, sir. I'm not interested to take that 70. I'm afraid to catch that 72 handle. I'm very much afraid. I can't go for that one. I'm so afraid of that 72 handle. I'll see below this low how much it is going to be. 40 and one handle. Yes, sir. That is my extreme target. I would love to target over there. In the meantime, if I that is my target, I will keep looking for a partial. Wherever I will get the partial, I'll take it. Now, if I that is my target, then this low is my partial. Here, that specific low is my partial. This relatively equal lows, that is sorry, no, that is not my partial because it has taken this loss, then it has provided me the entry. It is not going to be my partial because it has already taken over there. I can't look for this one as my partial. I would go for the last parallel gap, relatively equal loss. If I don't see anything over there, I'll go for the rejection block, the lowest body here, that candle, maybe one tick above this one. So here, I will take my partial over there, one tick above there, okay, here somewhere. Take the partial over there, 30 handle, put my stop loss to the break even. I'm done. I got stopped out. I'm done. 30 handle. I'm done. I don't give a shit about this price action. Whatever it is happening over there, I don't care about that anymore. It is falling. I'll let him fall. It is going higher. Let my job is done. My trading is done. But here I'm going to explain the price action because I need to explain every single situation of this price action. That's why I'm keep doing this thing. But if you come here and tell me you are a gambler, it hurts me because I'm not asking money from you for this. You are not paying money. So you have no right to tell me I'm a gambler or what am I? What I am. You have no right. If you don't like it, leave it. I'm not asking you to stay over here. Please come and join my live. No, sir. Hmm. Yeah, this sell side liquidity, remember this one. This sell side liquidity, keep that in your mind. Okay. And if market can close above this first parallel gap after 9:30 or above this last parallel gap from 15 minutes chart, maybe you'll be able to look for the buy from here until this buy side liquidity. There is a buy side liquidity. As so far I remember, there was a buy side liquidity. I guess it was there relatively equal highs. If I'm not wrong, that was the relatively equal highs. That was the buy side liquidity. If I'm not wrong. It's doing same like yesterday, filling 9:30 gaps. It didn't reach until the 9:30 gaps, sir. TK. Chill, bro, you were expecting nice things from shit world. Possible start of MMSM, but wait for MSS. Please, whatever you are waiting, just wait for that. I'm not interested to talk about the price action around the lunch hour. Yes, guys, I'll be back around the 150 for the Discord live. But beforehand, I'm telling you, brother, PM session, I'm not interested to trade my real money because for last 1 month, PM session is shitty price action, absolutely bullshit price action. If you think that you don't need then me, okay, I'm not interested to do that. You don't need to join over there. If anyone with me in my, I mean, sorry, in my Discord. So yeah, what did you say? My first family cup is wrong. Why is that? 5972. This is my first travel cup, brother. You choose the 931 instead of 931. Yeah, this is 930. Let me recheck actually. Yes, this is the gap. How can I be wrong? Who told you that? First travel cap cannot be from 930. Yeah, you were right. For 100%, your lessons absolutely free and nobody can say some same to you here. wants to learn, please welcome. Otherwise, good luck. Yeah, that's my point, brother. If you want to learn, good luck. I mean, please stay. If you don't want to learn, good luck. Just leave me alone. I'm not asking money. I didn't take money from you, right? Not that money. MANI. Not that money, okay? Don't get mind, brother. I'm not telling you. I'm talking about MONEY money. Arthur, Discord is not working well. I couldn't see your screen last time, and without the screen, it doesn't make sense for me. Yes, Arthur, it's because of I. We have to make sure another room where 150 people can join, and so we have created another room. There will be no problem. So last night it was difficult for some people to join because it was the maximum seat over there. But now 150 people will be able to join to the live and they will be able to see the screen. If I get two more boost, which is absolutely free from all of you, yes sir, in that type of situation, we will be able to get 300 people area. Okay, just let me check. Oh, okay, we are already in level 3. So now 300 people will be able to see the screen. There will be no problem. By the way, thank you so much whoever actually boost the server. Thank you so much. Now we'll be able to see this boosting tab 300. 300 people will be able to watch the stream now. Okay, they will be able to watch the stream now. There will be no problem. Okay, sir. Okay, I thought he meant ICT's first travel cup. No, sir, it's not about ICT's first travel. I don't know about ICT's first travel cup because, as I told, I talked about this first travel cup every rules before ICT. Okay, when ICT started to talk about this first travel cup, I talked about this before ICT, not after ICT. Okay, haters are not here, lovers are here, and keep watching. Hey, GJ, thanks for that, man. Yeah, whenever you say money, I got alert if you are saying something to me. Money and money, I guess. Okay, guys, I have to go actually, so I'll be back in my Discord around 150, I guess. Yeah, I'll back in 150. Trades in London trend was bullish. First was against the liquidity graph. 100% precision first day on the new funded account. Okay, this guy is providing the proof every single day. Every single day, he's providing the proof how you can go for a small run and you can get a lot of money by copy trading. Just know what to say. Who is that? Very good as well. Everyone is green. See, very small trade, okay? 500, 500, 400, 1521. Very small run. And you can see here, he has just taken one trade, three trade, one trade, three trade, one trade, two trade, one trade, two trade, one trade. Whoever is this, I love you, brother. I really don't know what is your name. Who are you? Let me check. N. Okay, N. I'll talk to you, okay? N. Thank you, brother. When you understand less is more, it is game changing. Yes, sir. I keep saying these things. Go for one or two, maximum two losing trade, one winning trade. Done. Done for that day. Thank you so much, brother. I love you. I love the numbers and entries. And okay. Slow is fast. Oh, okay. Thank you, brother Titu. I just got funded today in another account. Love you, brother. Okay, slow is fast. I know that you are here as well, if I'm not wrong. Slow is fast. Yeah, I saw your name. Congratulations, brother, again, for your passing, okay? Congratulations, brother. Again, money. Hey, Strike, see you, brother. See you, okay? Thank you guys for joining. Yeah, I'll be back around 150 and we will talk about the PM bullshit price action, okay? Right now, I'm not thinking about selling. I'm not thinking about buying. I'll wait until the launch hour is done. Then I'll see if it provide me something or not. If it doesn't provide me anything, perfect. I'll just simply stay over there. Okay. So see you guys. Bye bye.